general, once viewed as a rival to Adidas Samba, continues to fuel that comparison with its latest bold makeover. Following Adidas Snakeskin Samba releases, Nike is rolling out its own exotic version of the retro 80s turf shoe. The design isn't limited to snakeskin patterns alone, its base is crafted from faux pony hair, while the brown/tan snakeskin print stands out as the focal element. Premium touches like black leather on the swoosh, tongue, and backtab, paired with metallic eyelets, elevate its style. A gum sole with turf tread grounds the pair in classic functionality. The official reveal surfaced on Nike's backend, confirming a holiday 2025 drop. Priced at $120, the release is slated exclusively for women's sizing. With this launch, Nike further deepens the competition in the lifestyle sneaker market, echoing Adidas' terrace-inspired offerings in fresh, trend-driven fashion.